This is the East River Power Plant, owned and operated by Consolidated Edison, a publicly traded energy company, and located only 1.5 miles from Times Square. In the latest reporting year, this oil and natural gas-powered plant emitted almost 2 million tons of greenhouse gases, or over 5,300 metric tons a day. U.S. facilities directly emit over 2.6 billion tons of greenhouse gases on an annual basis. Interestingly enough, this single power plant is not even close to being the largest emitter of greenhouse gases in Manhattan. This honor goes to the 717,000 plus motor vehicles that enter Manhattan's central business district on a daily basis. These motor vehicles generate approximately 3.3 million metric tons on an annual basis, or 4.6 metric tons per vehicle. Tracking and measuring the global impact of carbon emissions using empirical or fact-based data sources is just one component of an emerging field called spatial finance. Investment firms traditionally have looked to financial models and quantitative analysis to drive investment decisions. However, the industry has undergone a significant shift in recent years. Investors are increasingly applying non-financial factors as part of their company analysis. Environmental and societal impacts are now being factored into the process. The term being used for the new criteria is environmental, social, and governance, or ESG for short. Climate impact and environmental risks have a material change on how investors now see the global playing field. Governments, regulators, and institutions are all taking a keen interest in measuring the impact of climate and environmental changes and their links to commercial activities and corporate and government ownership. Until now, no authoritative data set focuses on this need. We are Spatial Risk Systems, or SRS. We have developed an innovative data solution, a spatial knowledge graph. In addition to the traditionally flat geospatial data map, the SRS Geospatial Knowledge Graph incorporates an innovative and detailed global parent and subsidiary tree. This enables analytical outcomes available with no other product. A detailed look at both the corporate parent's total impact on the environment, as well as a forensic examination of their actual corporate environmental policy. Our geospatial knowledge graph incorporates over 7,200 data points per location and spans over 42 open data sets, many of which allow for point-in-time trend analysis. Our data solution will allow an investor to track a company's assets with geographical precision and then draw from the hundreds of open data sources to track climate, environmental, and social data for each asset location. SRS data is designed for easy integration into all traditional data sets. It is both machine learning and AI ready. Spatial Risk Systems, geospatial analytics from the ground up.